Hello traders, my name is RJ and today we're going to be doing a top-down analysis on USDJPY, which is US to Japanese yen. And what we have here is an impulse which we're not quite done with it yet. So let's find what's going on. Let's find it out. Then we take our action. As you know, we always start with what? Invalidation level. This is our invalidation level. And we're going to start with the first wave, which is wave 1, and we have wave 2. I want you to count with me. We have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. This is a clean first wave extension, and after that we have a corrective structure, which is in triple tree, which is W, X, Y, X, Z. And which give us wave 1 and 2. That gives us wave 1 and wave 2. This is wave 1 and this is wave 2. And currently we are forming wave 3, and we are almost done with wave 3. So let's see what we have here. Wave 3, we also have the same subwave, just like wave 1. You can see wave 1 have 5 subwave on its own. This is it. Wave 1 have 5 subwave on its own. So we should be expecting the same thing in wave 3 for we to consider it as wave 3. And now let's count. Wave 5 also have the same thing, which is 1, 2, and we have 3 in here, and we are expecting 4. We're not quite done with 4. We're expecting 4. So this is what we're expecting. And this wave 3, one of the reasons why we say wave 3 is the largest subwave. This wave 3 has 5 subwave on its own also. Count with me. It says 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The wave 3 is very strong. So this is a clean 5 completion, which gives us wave 3, and we're not quite done with the wave 4 of this wave 3 we are trading. And that's it. I think it's forming something called a diagonal pattern, and the diagonal pattern is always in 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, which is 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, which means wave 1 is 5. We already have wave 1. Let me show you. and we will export it. This is wave 1. We already have wave 1. We have corrective structure of wave 2, which is 3. So we have complete what? Wave 2. And what we're expecting now is wave 3, which is 5, right? And we have 1, 2, 3. We're not done with it. 4 and 5. So once we're done with the 4 and 5, we're going to look at what? Wave 3, which is what is right here. Okay, so there's still a long way to go. We're still in this third and second 5, which is the third wave. It remains wave 4 and wave 5. We're not even in wave 5 yet. We are not done with the wave 3 of this leading diagonal. It's called leading diagonal. We're not done with it yet. So since we are not done with it, our expectation now is wave 4. Our expectation is wave 4, which means the wave 3 is not done yet. We have to wait around A until we complete our wave 4 and wave 5. That is when we label wave 3, wave 3. So for now, our expectation is wave 4. For you not to be confused about anything, let me just know this. We are not yet in this stage. These 2, we are not yet there. We are still in this 3, which is this where we're still staying right now. This is what we are folding. Let me show you to be clear. This is where we are folding right now. This is where we are folding right now. We are not done with this 3. Once we are done with this wave 3, which is 5 subwave, then we're going to have wave 4, which is 3 subwave. But for now, we're still forming wave 3 subwave, and we are currently in subwave corrective structure, which is wave 4. And the wave 4 give us an ABC, which is 5, 3, 5. This is a 5 on the way to the downside, which is A, and the corrective structure is in 3, which is A, B, and C. This is C. Then we are expecting what? Wave C to the downside. And how can we? Another way, one of the way we use to spot target for wave C is to use our price range, and for wave A, the price range for wave A, we put it at the end point of wave B, and our minimum target will be around this range for wave C. These are one of the tools we use to predict wave C target. This is your minimum target of wave C, and this is it. This is how we actually project its future. So this is our minimum target for wave C, which means currently USDJPY, it is time for it to start rolling all the way down, because we are done with wave 3 around A, and this become our invalidation level. You see, the risk to reward is very perfect. It is perfection. Look at the risk to reward, and my God, really makes sense. It will be a great opportunity for you to sell around A and have your target set around this range. For wave C, which will complete the wave 4 subwave, and you have to complete it, and that's it. And another thing, it is what we use, which is MACD. This is called MACD 4C. Is one of confirmation tools we use at ElliottWaveNaija. So it also makes us to sport with some traders use it to sport with trade, especially newbies. Is one of the tools we use for newbies. They're just starting out to sport with trade. When you look at it, with trade, after the highest, look at the momentum. Momentum started to lose from this range all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. But look at the price range. The price range keep increasing. The price range keep increasing, but the momentum keep losing. Which means anytime soon we should expect what? A downfall. These are some of the confirmation tools we use. Starting from A, we have a high in the momentum, and from there the price range keep going up, which is around A. The price range keep going up. If I look at the momentum what keep going down. The momentum keep going down, the price will keep going up. Those are one of the things we use for confirmation that yes, anytime soon we should be expecting what? A downfall. It is already weak. It's just going up because with 5 subwave, this with 5, this with 5 subwave. Let me show you. This with 5 subwave. The 5 subwave advance is caused by a small group of traders. There's not many traders that trade with 5. What 90% of traders, especially we have what we call whale in the market. The whales only trade mostly with 3. This wave 3 you can see is the largest and the most powerful in a trend. You can see the momentum is very high. It means a lot of people trade with 3, but only few traders trade with 5. The whale in the market mostly don't trade with 5. It is caused by a small group of traders, and that is it. And that is one of the tools we use at ElliottWaveNaija, and that is how we use it to, for one of our confirmation that yes, we will have a downtrend soon. Should be expecting a downfall in the market, and that is it. And I'm going to show you the update. Okay, let me show you the update we have, and let me just send it here. This is what we have for you, and the candlestick, you can see the candlestick is also weak. All these candlestick can give you confirmation that yes, we are in a downtrend. Another thing, we use a lot of things as confirmation. This is what you don't know. It's not that we just like, okay, let me analyze the market and this and that, and you start trading. No, we use many things as confirmation. We use candlestick, we use a lot of things. This candlestick gave us confirmation, and this is monthly time frame. The confirmation is very large and makes sense for you to sell. You can see the candlestick is very weak around here. You can see all this bearish. This is indecision in the market. It's called doji. After doji, we have what? We have this bearish, and we have this bullish candlestick started going all the way up, and we're still what? Suddenly we just see a big move on the downside. So you should just prepare yourself. Anything will happen here to the downside, and your validation level makes sense to your target, and that is it. So let's check the trend line. Right, let's check the trend line. And one of the things I love about wave 4 is that wave 4 love breaking rules. Wave 4 love breaking rules. As you can see, the trend line have been broken. The trend line have been broken, The trend line broke and retest. It broke out and retest. It retest like two times for you to seize the opportunity, seize the moment. Okay, and we have something we call season. Life and business is like the season. Okay, we have winter in the market. We have we have spring in the market. We have summer and we have fall. I'm going to teach you guys about all of that. Just want you to focus on this for now. So this is time of opportunity around here. And what do you do in time of opportunity? You seize the moment, seize the opportunity. Don't let it go. So, which is why my expectation now is to, sell around here and eat your stop loss in here and expect your wave C, which is wave 4 subwave. And that will be all for today. And let me show you the update. I told you I'm going to show you on USD CAD. Look at USD CAD. Before the market opened, we gave you this that we're expecting wave 5, and this is it. USD CAD now. Let me show you the chart. We have an update because the market has been going all the way up as we predicted. So this is monthly time frame. Let me change this to 2 hours. Yeah. Can you see? The market has been going up as we predicted. That is one of the reasons why I love USD CAD. USD CAD doesn't change randomly. When you predict it, it's gonna go up, it's gonna go up. Okay? And that is it. As you can see, we're almost there. That trend line, we're almost there. We're going to hit the trend line. We've been following it up since February, and now we are breaking out. I think we are breaking out of the trend line now. Let's check the candlestick. Okay. So now, like we said, this is before. Yeah, this is before the market open, and this is it now. And we are having the result as we predicted, and we are not quite done yet. I think it's forming something like a diagonal pattern for wave 5 and then the diagonal, just like it formed around A as in the diagonal. Maybe it's the same thing we're gonna have in here too. So if you just shift your invalidation level, we told us in our last seminar about USD CAD. Once we have a good confirmation that we are going back, we shift our invalidation level from there to all the way here. You can shift it up a little bit to protect your capital because this around range is where we bought, and now the market is here. You can shift the invalidation level to this range. Okay, it's still okay, it's better around here. Then once we have enough information, we need to keep shifting it to protect our capital. And that is what we have on USD CAD. And we also have an update on US oil. We told us that after with XX, because we have been following US oil a long time ago, and we predicted with XX, and it came out just as we predicted, and we said we expecting with Z before going with C. And we have update on that too, because we have hit exactly our wave Z. We have hit our Z. Immediately the market opened, we hit with Z, and we took action immediately. This is it. Our This is it. I told you that some traders, some newbies mostly, will actually put their stop loss around here. I told you in our last seminar that they will sell around here before the market open, just like I showed you in here. You can see when before the market open, some newbies will buy right here because around this range box is where you can start selling for we've seen, and they will set their stop loss just above it. And I told us before the market opened that that is what is going to happen. To take out the stop loss before going as we predicted. And now the stop loss has been taken out, which means anybody that set their stop loss around this range, their stop loss has been taken out. So you have to still wait in here and have more information before we shift our stop loss from that range to this range. Okay, but for now, let's just leave it that way. Let's just leave it this way. Or you can just protect your capital from now, because I don't think there's any magic that the market will do anymore. Just have to, protect it from now, which really makes sense that way. The stop loss has been taken out already, so this is how we said it. We're not expecting what we're expecting. We'll see, just as we predicted. Uh-huh. Yeah. Mhm. So that's it. Now our expectation, since we complete our website, is wow. Makes sense, right? And since when the market opened, you can see we're going lower. And since that time, we have been profit. Uh, that's it. You have to stay alert of everything to to be ahead of the game. And that's it. We are fighting the battle and we are winning. And that's the update we have for you for today. And as time goes on, maybe by the weekend, we're going to update USDJPY as well. And that's it. And this is, let's move to 1 week time frame. And that's what we have for now on this. That's what we have for now on USDJPY. Once we have enough information, we're going to shift to the lower time frame and reanalyze ourselves. Okay, that is what we're gonna do, and shift our invalidation up to around this range maybe, and all the way to see. Just need more information. Okay, you need more information. Let's check the candlestick. Yeah, you can see this is called Pimba. The real name is not Pimba. The real name is Weston. The real name is Grafton, and some newbie calls it hammer because it looked like hammer. So give us confirmation that we are going to sell soon, and that's going to sell. Retracement, and we have another sell. That's what we're expecting now. This is a retracement, then we have another sell. That's it. So we have to shift our invalidation level yet. We need more information because sometimes the market might do some magic, break your invalidation level and started going all the way down. So set your invalidation level at the right place and you'll be ahead of the game. So we are breaking the trend line. It has been retested like 2 times now, which gives you a good opportunity to actually sell. And that will be all for today. You're welcome.